Hi, 6th grade, Mr. Young here. I just wanted to give you a quick video instruction on how to access the Everfi site. I'm joining you here from my basement, and I hope you guys are doing well. If you follow the link in the Google Classroom assignment, you're going to come to this page. The first thing you need to do is click the word register. The first thing it's going to ask you to do is to put in the class registration code. I have that copied right here. It's on the Google Classroom assignment. And we'll say next. Here we go. It's going to ask a couple of questions here, and I'm just going to kind of go through and make stuff up just so that I can walk you through the process of creating an account. I hope you guys are having fun. I hope you are adjusting to this online life, and I hope things are well. For your username, I would recommend just doing your 5 and 3. The name that I put in here is John Young, so it's going to be YOUNJOH. And that's going to be the username. We're going to type in the password. Now, we're creating an account from scratch here, so it's going to take a couple of steps. Password, a couple of requirements: must be 6 letters, has to be one number or special character. And I'm just going to make mine 1, 2, 3, IC. And this is just an example password. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, IC. We verified that those two are the same, and that's what we need to create the account. I'm going to hit the next button, and it's going to create the account. You've got some options once you get in here. You're going to start working with the last one on that list. It's called Ignition, Ignition New. And this is the one that we're going to work through first. This will be a graded assignment for you. We're going to click the Start button. This is kind of, it's an online learning tool, and it talks about how we can keep ourselves safe on the internet. This is just loading here. I want to walk you through the initial step of it at least. And I promise I won't take up more than just about 3 or 4 minutes of your time. Still loading. Still loading. Everybody in the world must be using Everfi this week. So it looks like we got something. Here we go. And be a little bit patient with it, because everybody in the country is using something like this for you to learn.
Welcome to Ignition. The world is smaller than you think. Going online can put the world at your fingertips.
Okay, so what I really wanted to show you here.
Click on an avatar image below and press the continue button.
And I'm going quick through this.
Ta-da! Let's get.
What I want to show you is that there are, I believe, 6 lessons. You might get a survey like this. It might pop up. Go ahead and take the survey. I'm going to skip it just for and it's telling me that I didn't answer the survey. But I'm going to skip it just for the interest of time and showing you what my expectations are, what you should be doing, what this should look like. And there we go. Final. Hopefully this will be the last page of that. Oh, no, one more. And again, you should ideally answer these. Really, it's they want to make sure that the course is appropriate for you, but I have already screened you, so I know that it is. Oops. And now I'm thinking I'm stuck on the survey. Here we go. And I just jumped back to the other tab up here. And, oh no, it's going to fail me out again. Let's close those two out. And again, like I said, this is just one of these learning things that we have to do as teachers and as students to figure out this brand new world. I'm going to try to start lesson. And it did let me, oh no, fail again. And apparently it's not very happy with me that I didn't answer. Oh, up here it is. It's high. I have my webcam preview up here. And looks like it was hiding underneath that webcam preview. And this is taking a little longer than what I would have wanted it to, but I'm glad that you guys are seeing it because you see, I know what I'm doing, and it's taken me a couple of steps and a couple of tries. So definitely just be patient as you're going through this. Don't get frustrated. There we go. Now it looks like it's going to let me go. What I wanted to show you was how the course actually
Meet
works.
Alyssa. She loves to share what's going on in her life on social media. It helps her stay in touch with family who live far away and keep friends updated on important stuff.
So this little window that's up
At
is
her
going
soccer
to
game, Alyssa posted, "We won the regional championships today."
is going to read to you. It's going to tell you some things, but you have to interact with this window. It doesn't automatically go through. So post. I have just posted from her social media account, and this is really the beginning of the course. Certainly, if you have questions, I've got answers. Don't be afraid to email me. Don't be afraid to reach out. Otherwise, I will catch you guys later as soon as I figure out how to get out. Oh, bye-bye.